What's that? That could be the peak. Maybe. And we stupid. I wasn't prepared for this kind of view. This is crazy. Massive. Now the next goal is to go all around. Alafu nitokeleze pale. All right, I've taken my rest. Sasa nazunguka the rim. Oh man, I wasn't ready for this kind of views. I wasn't, man. I think this is a much better view. Check it. Got to keep on walking on the road to Zion, yeah. Selfish. Sasa mbogi yangu nilikuwa nikuja nayo, wamekosa kukuja. Yani hii uondo yote inawaacha. Ado. Come on, man. You guys should be here. Come on. Damn. Mawingu yameanza kudondoka chini. Atena bado. What's that? I got to keep on walking on the road to Zion, yeah. Whew. Sikia. Sija mute video. Ni nature. Iko mute to that extent. Hapa mtu upanda aje. all along nikipangia hii hike, the question has been, is it long or not? Because we all know it's long or not, but hey, is it long or not? Whew. Ladies and gentlemen, I just found out just how long this shit is. Fuck. I am a walker, not a climber. I am a walker, not a climber, bwana. What did I get myself into? But hey, got to keep on walking on the road to Zion, yeah, yeah, yeah. Bado nitapiga ile yote lazima niipige all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. I did not sign up for this, but it's all good. It's all good. I'm at the very peak of it. They call it Kilelengamia. So it turns out I came the long way, which is the wrong way. People start with the summit and then go the other way down. I went the other way up to the summit. But it's all good. Yeah, I feel like I'm built for this. Yeah, my feet are built for the hard work. Now we go back down. It's about to go down, literally. So yeah, let's do this. Alright.
Keep pushing to where?
The summit is calling. Yes. This is the beginning of the steepness. Yeah, it is. I won't kill you. Yeah.
Thanks.
You made it this far, so you're almost there.
You're almost there. What are you hearing? You're almost there. Slowly too.
Are you to the summit and back, or are you going the whole round?
This side.
Yeah.
This side. We go around there. As long as we just get to the summit.
Yeah. I see.
Yeah.
Just believe in yourself, man.
Ah, good. Here, what did I tell you?
This is in relation to life itself.
Exactly.
You've got to push.
You push. Like
Once you are at the summit and then you see the signboard, the inaitwa Kidelengamia,
yeah.
you feel your heart pounding in a different rhythm. You will enjoy it.
Right.
All right.
They're doing it for this stuff. You're supposed to come. Akachimba nini? We played Saturday in the next school. So he's so sad he was unable to join us.
Pole kwake. So
he said we're going to do it for him.
Fanye pia jiji yake.
Sasa.
Shukran.
Okay,
all the best, guys.
Are we going to go back?
Look at me now. I made it back. I made it back. All the way. I came back.
Nakirumia te wenda kugwa matafuka wane na badogo nere cia mafuoka Nakirumia te wenda kugwa matafuka wane na badogo nere cia mafuoka Kuma deka nini majeraga kijana wanenda fa Nitamatoe kijana uyu nira fa Na dira chekera nina na gwaka mone kina tha Wira wa gutengeri shira na metafa Monagari wana maugage ati ni kafa Wishirage gweka kaundu kange wakafa Nä hä ndä ä rä a ndä raugaga atä rä na tha rä u rora rä rathwo rä u ratiga rä kä ratha